In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a personal workflow in Wrike. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account. From your main workspace, navigate to your personal space. This is usually where you manage your own tasks and to-dos, separate from shared team projects. Open that personal area so you can work inside the correct folder or project. Once you're in the personal section, look for the highlighted area shown on screen. This is typically a control or menu related to views or workflows. Go ahead and click on that highlighted spot. When you do, Wrike will open a field where you can type. Start entering the name or label that's indicated in the highlight. This helps Wrike filter options and makes it easier for you to find the exact view or setting you want without scrolling through a long list. After typing into the highlighted field, confirm that you're still working within the personal context by clicking on the personal option again when it appears. This step makes sure that the workflow changes you're about to make will apply to your personal tasks, not to a shared workspace. Next, you'll see an option called Default Workflow. Click on Default Workflow. This is Wrike's standard set of task statuses that every new space starts with. Click it again when prompted to open up the detailed settings for that workflow. Here, you're preparing to either adjust how it behaves for you or to base a custom view on it. You'll then see another highlighted control. Click on that as shown. From there, select the number 6. This could represent a specific status, a filter, or a configuration value in your workflow. After that, you'll click on another highlighted area and choose the number 28. Think of these as fine-tuning parameters for how your work is organized or measured. Now, locate the non-billable option and click on it. This is typically used to classify work that shouldn't be charged to a client or project budget. Click non-billable again when prompted, confirming that tasks in this context should be treated that way. In the next highlighted field that appears, type in the value or label indicated. This might be a name, a category, or some descriptive text that helps you recognize this setting later. At this point, you'll see an option that says, See your work in a spreadsheet format. Click on that. This switches your view into a table-style layout, which is great for tracking many tasks at once, similar to a spreadsheet. Finally, once you're satisfied with the configuration and view, click on Create. Wrike will now save your setup so you can quickly access this workflow and table view whenever you're working in your personal space.